Family and relatives. Grandfather.
Grandfather.
Robert is my grandfather. He is my mother's father.
Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Margaret is my grandmother. She is my mother's mother.
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 Linda is my mother. She is my grandparents' daughter.
Father.
Father.
David is my father. He is my mother's husband.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Michael is my uncle. He is my mother's brother.
Aunt.
Aunt.
Susan is my aunt. She is Michael's wife.
Cousins.
Cousins.
William and Jessica are my cousins. They are my uncle and aunt's children.
Brother.
Brother.
Andrew is my brother. He is one of my 2 siblings.
Sister.
Sister.
Emily is my sister. She is one of my 2 siblings.
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law.
John is my brother-in-law. He is my sister's husband.
Nephew.
Nephew.
Lucas is my nephew. He's my sister's son.
Niece.
Niece.
Chloe is my niece. She's my sister's daughter.
Wife.
Wife.
Sarah is my wife. We are married.
Husband.
Husband.
I am Sarah's husband. We are married.
Son.
Son.
Sarah and I have 2 children. Ethan is our son.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Sarah and I have 2 children. Olivia is our daughter.